Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we will show you the world's biggest demolition machines. So enjoy this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The demolition of buildings involves a variety of activities, which is why versatile machines such as the Liebherr R940 Demolition are preferred for such projects. This popular and highly recommended demolition machine is one of the best robust and versatile machines ever built. The device operates at a working height of 23 meters and is powered by a 200 kilowatt engine. It can carry a weight of 63,900 kilograms. This enables different heavy-duty demolition attachments to be used so that workers can create ideal working conditions. Liebherr built it for reliability from top to bottom with robust components for maximum endurance even under the world's most challenging working conditions. For years, McMahon has been providing more cost-effective machines, efficient attachments, and some of the best all-around tools for the job for the most significant and complex demolition projects. Now they've merged a mighty monster with an incredible demolisher. The Komatsu PC4000 with the GXT 2555R dramatically increases demolition capacity. Its boom arm has a reach of 20 meters, while the attached heavy-duty shear can cut almost anything. You can see how easy it is for this beast to tear apart a piece of steel. The Genisis GXT is an all-purpose concrete processor with a cutting attachment. Its large-bore cylinders and regeneration valves deliver quick cycle times and impactful crushing force. The tight fit between the cylinder, body, and upper jaw minimizes the risk of debris damaging internal components. Bolt-on teeth and blades reduce maintenance time, and the heavy-duty pivot design provides structural strength and long-term durability. In short, nothing can stand between its jaws. The Sennebogen 870E is another powerful demolition machine. It is a long-term demolition machine, standing 9 to 10 stories tall. This incredible advantage gives a precise and vibration-free operating experience to the operator. The machine works best, especially in highly dense built-up areas. You can use it like demolition shears, or you can use it to grab-to-grasp building structures with pinpoint accuracy and safely bring the pieces to the ground. Hitachi has built the ZX350LC6 to deliver exceptional durability and productivity even in the most challenging work environments. It is a high-reach demolition excavator that has been developed using state-of-the-art technology and decades of industry expertise. The 23-meter-high arm enables accurate demolition work to be carried out on buildings up to 6 or 7 stories in height. Additional durability is provided by a tilting cylinder guard that protects the cylinder from falling objects, providing optimal levels of availability and performance. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.